Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, this is an unboxing video, obviously, but the problem was I knocked over the camel with the box, so I've had to redo it again, so here we go. So anyway, this watch has come from Panzera. Now, Panzera, I don't know a heck of a lot about them. I think it was originally brought up by two guys, I think it was a Swiss guy, an Australian guy. And basically, they've been doing affordable watches, but now they're dipping into the Swiss-made watch side of things. So let me get this out. This is one such model. Let's try and get this out and not knock the camera this time. So here we go. First of all, presentation looks good. Here is the actual watch in question. Now, this model is called their, I think it's Aquamarine 40, and it does actually house it is a Swiss made watch, so it does classify as that, and it even has a Swiss movement. The Swiss movement is the Landeron. I think it's the L24, and to be fair, that's I think it's a pretty well a copy of a 2824 movement. Now, Landeron have been around for years, to be fair, so they are a well established watch manufacturer. And to be fair, first of all, let's look at the thing here. Lovely blue dial. I believe this is quite a new model from, and in the 40mm like this. One thing I would say, even though it's only 40mm in size, it has got some heft to it. But I do quite like that dial. I love the handset. I think it's kind of weird and funky. I love these yellow, should I say, accents going on there with the yellow second hand, and obviously what looks like this the quarter marks around the actual chapter ring there. It looks quite a chunky, substantial watch, all polished. Obviously, it's brushwork on there. Just looking at it off the bat, it looks very similar to an AP at the top there, doesn't it? That bezel arrangement is somewhat AP-ish. Not that that's a bad thing in any way. Nice, big, chunky sign crown on there. And the bracelet, okay, the bracelet, I don't know. It seems okay, to be fair. It is marked up. Let's have a look at that movement. Is it got quick? Yeah, it's quick release. So here we go. Let's take the sticker off here. He says, can I get this off? So it's one of those brands where they always seem to have deals on. Oh, I can't take it off. Oh, no, I can't take it off right now. So there you go, that's a movement. It looks to be pretty well decorated. I say this is only a quick kind of unboxing, just to have first impressions of the watch. But so far, it looks quite cool. But as I say, this is one of those brands where they do always seem to have a deal on. So I'll leave links to their website in the description below. And in a couple of weeks' time, I'll do a proper review once I've got time with this actual watch and see how it feels. But I must say, that dial, I think the dial does look great. I say it's a 200-meter diver, and first impressions are they look pretty cool. I'll be interested. I don't know if I'll keep it on the bracelet or if I might change it for something else, but I will see. But at 40mm, I think this could be quite a wearable watch. Let's actually put it on my wrist and we'll see how it looks. Quick wrist check. I'm wearing a Seiko Mini Alpinist. Bob, what you got on there, mate? Ooh, the Oris 65 Diver Gen 1. Now, I say this hasn't been sized or anything for me yet, as I've only just got the watch. So you can see massive, massive bracelet on this. You're easily going to be able to fit this on, no problem at all. And that's it on my 7¼ inch wrist. Let's have a little bit of a zoom in there. I think that looks quite tidy, to be fair. I don't know what I don't know if I'll size the bracelet, obviously, but I might try it on some other different straps as well. I've got a feeling like a ISO diver strap would look really cool with this model. We'll see. But anyway, that's just a quick preview of what we have here, this new model. So we'll see how it goes. But I'll give it a few weeks and I'll do a proper full-on review and we'll go from there and a bit more about the history of the watch and so forth. Okay then, guys. What can I say? But stay safe out there. All the best. Bye.